Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel as this channel needs your support. Also access this cybersecurity playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we are going to learn about cyber ethics and laws. So let's get started. Cyber ethics. Cyber ethics involves the application of ethical standards to online behavior. Here's what it includes. 1. Respect privacy. What to do. Avoid accessing, sharing, or misusing someone else's personal information without their consent. Why it matters. Respect for privacy is fundamental to maintaining trust in the digital space. 2. Avoid plagiarism. What to do. Give credit to original creators when using their work, including text, images, or videos. Why it matters. Ensures fairness and protects intellectual property rights. 3. Practice honesty. What to do. Avoid creating or sharing false information, including fake news or manipulated content. Why it matters. Prevents misinformation and promotes integrity. 4. Protect others online. What to do. Report harmful content, cyberbullying, or online harassment. Why it matters. Contributes to a safer online environment for everyone. 5. Use resources fairly. What to do. Don't engage in activities like hacking, spamming, or overloading networks. Why it matters. Ensures equitable access to digital resources. Cyber laws. Cyber laws are legal frameworks designed to protect individuals, organizations, and governments from cybercrimes. They address issues like data protection, privacy, and misuse of technology. 1. Data protection and privacy laws. Purpose. Protect personal and sensitive information. Examples. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, in Europe. IT Act 2000 Information Technology Act, in India. 2. Intellectual Property Rights IPR. Purpose. Safeguard copyrights, patents, and trademarks in the digital world. Examples. Protects software, digital media, and other online creations. 3. Laws against cybercrimes. Purpose. Address crimes like hacking, identity theft, and phishing. Examples. Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA, in the USA. IT Act 2000 in India. 4. Anti-cyberbullying laws. Purpose. Prevent and penalize online harassment or threats. Examples. Varies by country but includes provisions in cybercrime laws. 5. E-commerce and online transactions. Purpose. Regulate online buying, selling, and digital payments. Examples. Laws ensuring secure online transactions and consumer protection. 6. Digital signature and authentication. Purpose. Validate electronic documents and transactions. Examples. Digital Signature Act in various countries. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.